What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning in to Tunnel Vision Racing. I'm Johnny Rex, and this is the K24 Swap CRX Project. I wanted to take this time to make this video, show you guys this clean 91 CRX SI shell that I picked up. I will be going in depth on how to K24 swap this CRX. Everything you need to know, from running wires to shift linkage to everything, just everything. I will be doing a lot of episodes on this car. It will be going to get body work and paint redone. I will be looking for some new parts, or good condition parts. But yeah, this is the car. Next video I will be getting into removing this engine and transmission, basically everything from this engine bay. As you can see, I will be taking everything out next video. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, because this is going to be a fun journey, and let's get into it.